Hello guys, this is Rajesh, and in this video I am going to tell you 5 basic mistakes that every photographer, every beginner photographer makes. So firstly, I would like to welcome you in my YouTube channel that's called Rajesh Malviya, and welcome back to my channel. And the first mistake is not choosing the aspect ratio. Yes friends, aspect ratio is very important for capturing beautiful photos. According to need and according to use, you can always use this technique to get perfect ratio: 1:1, 16:9, 4:5, yeah, 4:5. That is Instagram, for YouTube, thumbnails, or other social media usage. Second one is the composition. Composition is very most important thing in the photography and photo clicking, as all type of the photography are based on the composition. The perfect composition is very important. Third one is stable your camera. When you capture photos and videos, you must have a tripod or any stabilizer so that you can stabilize your photos and videos, and the quality will be decent and very nice quality. And fourth one is clean your lens of your mobile phone or DSLR before you shoot any photo or images, videos, so that you can get sharper image quality. Next topic is that the perfect focus and brightness or exposure. You can always focus by tapping the screen of mobile phone so that the focus and the brightness exposure is according to the subject that you have focused. If you haven't, then will auto focus and auto brightness will work and the photo may be degraded. So you have basic knowledge that how to focus and autofocus and manual focus. You have to manual focus to lock the focus and brightness and exposure of the image. So you must do these things. I will meet you in next video. So then keep clicking and stay watching my YouTube channel. See you soon. Keep clicking. This is Rajesh Malviya signing off. Thank you all. And the like target of this video is 30 likes. So do hit the like button just now and leave a comment for any suggestion or appreciate my video. Thank you all.